Hello everyone, I'm Starling, and today I'm going to talking about the gaming experience of Bluestacks and WSA. And this is my contents. The first one is introduction, and the second is literature review, and third is methodology, and then is conclusion. So WSA and Bluestacks are Android emulator, and it can let us use the Android app on computers. So let's introducing Bluestacks and WSA. Bluestacks is short for Bluestacks App Player, and it is made by .GG Inc. WSA is short for Windows Subsystem for Android, and it is also an internal software in Windows, so we can know it is made by Microsoft Corporation. And then let's see strengths and weaknesses. This is Bluestacks' strengths. It's simple and easy to use, and it also has the simple installation. And you can use the app on the cloud server. And this is Bluestacks' weaknesses. The first one is high memory usage, and second is poor performance in some old PC. And this is WSA's strength. It runs smoothly and runs its own window because it is the internal software. And this is WSA's weaknesses. It limits on some games because it doesn't have adaptive gaming capabilities, and it trouble in installation. And then you only can use on the Windows 11, but Windows 11 has strict system requirements. Okay, let's see test and compare part. A test I'm going to test is opening time test, RAM usage test, and the benchmark test. The first and then is test buffer, and then is opening time of Bluestacks. Bluestacks opening time is about 8 seconds, and WSA is about 14 seconds. So in this part, we can know Bluestacks is faster than WSA. And then its RAM usage. Bluestacks RAM usage is 88.3 megabytes, and WSA is 146.1 megabytes. So in this part, Bluestacks is also better than WSA. And then let's see Geekbench test. Geekbench is Geekbench is a cross-platform app for benchmarking, and it can score your devices in performance and experience, and you can compare the performance with the Geekbench benchmark score. And our Geekbench test version is 5.5.1. Okay, this is the Bluestacks score in the Geekbench 5. It is 1,964, and WSA is 3,877. So in the experience and performance, WSA is better than Bluestacks. Okay, lastly, methodology. The first is research questions. Which do the participants prefer, the Bluestacks or WSA? Does the Geekbench score parallel the real experience? And then is participants. Participants is from Loto Junior High School, and it is in the gifted and talented class from 7th to 9th grades. So we are going to let participants play a simple game on Bluestacks and WSA, and invite them to fill in a question here. And then it's research. we're going to use a platform called Roblox, and Roblox has a game called Ultimate Easy Obby. And then let participants to play this game, and then fill in a question here. So what is Roblox? Roblox is an online game platform and game creation systems. So you can play many games on this platform, create your own games, or play with other players. Okay, and this is a chart of Bluestacks in full length and graphics. And this is a chart of WSA. So in full length part, the Bluestacks get 51.3%. People choose a very satisfied and satisfied. And Bluestacks Bluestacks has 51.3% to choose the satisfied, and Bluestacks full end is not terrible. But 5.1% people choose the very unsatisfied. And WSA only 2.5% choose the very unsatisfied, and 63% choose the satisfied. So we can know participants think WSA is more full-length than Bluestacks. And see the display and graphics. The Bluestacks display resolution is 900p, and WSA is 1080p. So see the charts, we can know there is no much difference in the display and graphics parts. And then it's game operation. PC means the Bluestacks operation. Just like a computer game, you can use WASD to play. And then mobile is WSA's operation. It is just like a mobile phone, so you can use the mouse to control the screen. So in the chart, we can know participants prefer WSD on the Bluestacks operation. So we can know adaptive gaming capability is a very important part of Android emulator. And then is my conclusion. So my conclusion is WSA is better than Bluestacks in terms of performance in recent years. Okay, and this is my source. So thanks for listening.